see a cenote called Suytun. Suytun, I don't know. I totally butchered that name, but it's the one you see on Instagram all the time. And it's very nice. There is a light beaming from the top of this cenote. You can swim in that cenote. It's beautiful, but there is a lot of people just waiting in line just to take a picture. So it's not a ton of people, but there's quite a few. So you have to wait maybe 10 minutes before you take a picture. So yeah, I highly recommend visiting. It's beautiful.
After exploring the cenote, we stumbled upon this hostel that's located right on the premises. You can take a swim, have a drink, relax.
So our last day, we decided to come to Cancun for a night.
Give me a kiss on the cheek.
This is our hostel. 4-bedroom and lockers.
Oh, and AC.
So we just stayed the night here and we're trying to catch a flight. It's at 4:30, so checking out from the hostel now. When you travel, it's essential to have Priority Pass. Priority Pass is given with certain credit cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve or a Venture card has that also. So then you get lounge access. So when you're stuck on a layover or waiting for your flight at any point, you actually get free food, there's free alcohol. I'll show you in a second what it looks like.
La luna fue caminando junto a las olas del mar. Tenía celo de tus ojos.